Hey, feeling good, like I should.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's Jocelyn. Welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to show you guys how I edit my videos and the equipment and softwares that I use to edit my thumbnails, my videos, and also some tips and tricks. Okay, so I'm going to just hop right into this video. I'm going to start off with the camera I use. I use a Lumix DC Vario. It is a Lumix camera by Panasonic. It is a really great camera. However, I am looking into the Canon G7X Mark II. Hey guys, so I was just editing this video literally minutes after I just filmed this, and for some weird reason in my head I was thinking it was Mark II, but really the two I's are the Roman numeral 42. I thought it was 2 and then I. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it. Alright, enjoy the video. You know, just like the vlogging cameras, because they are more convenient and I can take it with me more easily. I don't know if I said that right, but I hope you know what I mean. It's just more convenient and more small, but this camera is amazing and it has amazing quality. It's really, really good for pictures also, but it is kind of big and it's hard to hold it up if I do want to vlog. So with that being said, I also vlog on my iPhone as well. I used to vlog on my iPhone 7, but now I vlog on my iPhone XR. So right now my camera is on my makeup stand, but when I am filming away from my makeup stand, I use this tripod. Do I know the name of it? No, but I am about to find out. So this is my tripod. I actually am very surprised that I still have this box because I got this tripod when I turned 15. And yeah, this is just a black web tripod. It's a 66-inch tripod for cameras and camcorders. And it's really compatible. You can use this tripod for your phone or excuse me, or bigger devices. And yeah, I really, really love it. I will try to find a link to this one and similar tripods down below. But this tripod, you can hook the camera bag in the middle right here so you don't lose it and it's like not sitting on the floor and stuff. And then these expand all the way out here and it's really adjustable. I really want a small little vlogging one, but I'll probably get that whenever I get my Canon camera. And this is very convenient. You could just adjust this however. And it's really, really nice because it has kind of the weighted things on them, like the green bubble. You guys would know what those are called better than I do. So now moving on to lighting. Right now, I am using natural lighting. In a lot of my videos, I like to use natural lighting just because it looks a lot better. With studio lighting, it kind of makes my face and the tone of the video more blue and more grayish, which is kind of weird, but it's true. So when I do want to film at night, I use the Limo Studio lighting set. I found these on Amazon and I got these, I want to say, at the Christmas Fair 2016. It comes with 2 large lighting stands and then 1 really small one, so you can get all the good lighting angles. And basically you just screw in the light bulb. Short story, I actually dropped one of the light bulbs and my entire room smelled disgusting. So I highly recommend you don't drop these light bulbs. And yeah, I will link that down below. It's from Amazon and it also comes with this umbrella. I hope I don't get bad luck because like technically this is like an umbrella and I like opened it outdoors. So moving on to the editing software I use. A lot of people I know use iMovie, and if I would have known the kind of things iMovie has than what I thought it only had, I would be using iMovie right now because it is a whole lot cheaper than what I'm using right now. I am using Final Cut Pro X. Final Cut is an amazing software, especially because you can do so many different things. And whenever I first started YouTube, I used Windows Movie Maker on my school computer, and it didn't really have much of anything. It was just kind of like you cut it and you delete a part and then you upload it. Final Cut has color correction and it has a lot of different things you can do within the software itself. So it's very, very compatible, and it's very handy and I love it so much. The way I edit, I like to do a lot of things when I edit. I feel like the style of my videos, I do have a lot of similar things that I use, such as like the cut blade, kind of like jump cuts. So I really, personally, I don't like awkward pauses in between when I talk and when I don't talk. So I will cut the clips so they're closer together, so it's very like, I'm saying this, like this. So you don't have to feel awkward. And yeah, you just cut and select and delete the portions that you don't want. Another thing that I do a lot, especially recently, I like to add the fisheye effect to some of the moments where I feel like it's kind of awkward, but I like want to make it funny, but I also don't want to delete it. So I'll add the fisheye filter on top and nice. And I will adjust it to the spot that I want the fisheye to be, and then I'll adjust the size and stuff like that. Yeah, that's basically a lot of my main editing tips that I use a lot. And this is just a overall tip for editing, no matter what software you use, but it is probably more compatible on a computer. Make sure you look up or know certain shortcuts. So on my computer for Final Cut Pro, B is blade and A is select and the backspace is delete. So when I'm editing, I can edit super fast by just hitting B, A, delete. So now, moving on to thumbnails. I really like to use the app Fonto. Before I do that, I first start out on my computer and then work it towards my phone and then upload it back to my computer. It's really confusing, but I'll show you guys the process. So I use the online website called Be Funky, and basically whenever you first get onto photo editor, depends on what the thumbnail is. If it's just one picture, then I'll push photo editor, but if it's a collage, I will push collage. So right now I'm just gonna push collage because that is what I'm using for this thumbnail. So basically when you're making a YouTube thumbnail, you wanna make sure the pixel size is right. So it's 1280 by 720. And if you have anything larger than that, then sometimes YouTube won't let you have it as your thumbnail. Like, it'll deny it and tell you that your file's too big or too small. And then yeah, after I'm done editing, I like to airdrop it back to my phone. And then I open up the app Bisco. I just layer my current theme that I'm working with right now. I like to use my Instagram theme. That's what I'm using right now. So also, if you guys want to check out my Instagram, it will be linked down below. And then after I'm done with that, I go to the app Fonto. I love Fonto so much. So basically, I will tap on the screen and push photo albums, and then I'll select the collage, and then I will tap the photo and then add a text. So for this one, I will put filming and editing, and then I will slide over and push curve and curve the text however I want. That's a lot of the things I do when I'm editing my thumbnails. I like to switch it up sometimes. Sometimes I don't always use my Instagram filter. And yeah, I tried to make this video really simple. If you guys want more in depth of like everything I do to edit my videos or everything that I do to edit my thumbnails and more about the equipment I use, then I will definitely make a part 2 video if you guys really want me to. And if you guys have any questions about anything that I said in this video, comment them down below. I will be so happy to answer them. I will see you guys next week. Peace.
Feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk